Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video, I will show you some applications that will be very useful for you to edit your PDF files and even the photos. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application, that is the PDF Creator and Editor. So as you can see, there's applications. So you install it if you have not installed. As I've already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. So once you install, click open. So you can see the user interface. There's lots of options. There's more way below. So using these applications, what you can do is you can convert image to PDF, text to PDF, QR and barcodes, Excel to PDF, view files. Even you can add a password in the PDF, remove password, add text, rotate pages, add watermarks, add images in your PDF files. You can merge PDF files. You can split a single PDF file into different PDF files. You can invert the PDF. You can compress the size of the PDF. You can remove duplicate pages. You can remove pages of respective PDFs, reorder pages of any PDF files, extract images from your PDF. You can convert any PDF to image. You can extract text and zip to PDF. You can convert. There's more options in the menu sections. Here you can see you can even scan a QR code and barcodes and convert it into PDF files. Even there is one more good thing, if you are very fond of using Excel files, that is the Microsoft Office Excel files, then even you can convert Excel files to PDF. Even you can convert any normal text to the PDF, and even you can create PDF directly by clicking with the camera or by selecting any image from the phone's gallery applications. So I hope in day-to-day uses, if you really want a on-the-go PDF creator and editor without needing the help of your laptop, so this is a must-have applications. So you can try these applications by downloading it from the Google Play Store. So the next applications I want to show you is that you need to go to the Play Store again. So in the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as Pics Tool. As you can see. So you install it like earlier, as I have already installed this too, so I'm not going to install it again. So you install it. Once installation is done, click open. On opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So here are some options for your picture to compress, to resize the size of your images, to reduce your image files. Even there is one good thing, you can just resize the pixels of the respective photos or any images. You can crop the file. Even you can optimize, that is, you can, it's almost like optimizing your pictures depending upon the size, quality. You can optimize. If your picture is in different size like the rectangular or the any oval shapes or something, so you can squarely fit it. And there is one more good options here, that is you can convert the PNG to JPG or the JPG to the PNG. So this option is also very useful and will gonna help you in day-to-day life uses. And there is one more simple option, is the rotate. So if you need a good Pics tool, then definitely you should check this out and try by yourself. So download it from Play Store and try it yourself, and comments below in the video how you like those applications. And if you find this information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.